Hey, what if I told you that you could create stunning AI-generated videos for free in just a few minutes? No fancy software, no crazy skills needed. Today, I'm showing you how to use Qwen AI to make videos that'll blow your mind. Stick around because this is easier than you think. Let's dive in. Look at this. AI made zero cost, and it took me less than 10 minutes. Whether you're a YouTuber, a marketer, or just someone who loves cool tech, Qwen AI is your new best friend. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to generate your own videos using this free tool from Alibaba. Ready? Let's go. First things first, head over to Qwen's official chat interface. Just type chat.qwenlm.ai into your browser. It's that simple. You'll need an email or Google account to log in, so have that handy. Once you're in, you'll see a clean dashboard. Look at the top. There's a drop-down menu. Pick Qwen 2.5 Max, because that's the version with video generation powers. Done? Great, you're in. Now, the magic happens with your prompt. This is where you tell Qwen what video you want. Be specific. For example, I typed a time-lapse of a flower blooming in vibrant colors. Keep it clear and descriptive. Think about the scene, style, and vibe you're going for. Pro tip, if you're stuck, try something fun like a robot dancing in a futuristic city. The more creative, the better. All right, you've got your prompt. Now hit the video generation option in the chat box and press enter. Click generate. And here's the catch. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So grab a coffee, because Qwen's cooking up something awesome. Once it's done, you'll get a high-quality video, no watermark, ready to roll. When your video's ready, just download it from the interface. It's yours to use however you want: YouTube, TikTok, or even school project. Want to spice it up? Toss it into a free editor like CapCut, add some music or text, and boom, you've got a pro-level clip. That's it. 4 easy steps to create unlimited AI videos with Qwen AI, all for free. Have you tried it yet? Drop your favorite prompt in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tricks, and hit the bell so you don't miss out. Let's make some epic videos together. See you in the next one.